Hey there! Ever feel like you're juggling a million tasks as a real estate agent? Well, I've got some great news for you. AI, or artificial intelligence, is here to save the day. Let's dive into how AI is revolutionizing the real estate industry and why it's the ultimate tool you need to be using right now. First off, let's talk about data analysis. AI can process vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take you or me. Imagine having access to insights on market trends, property values, and buyer behavior in seconds. This kind of speed and accuracy means you can make better, more informed decisions. No more sifting through endless spreadsheets. Next up, customer service. AI-powered chatbots are transforming how we interact with clients. These chatbots can handle inquiries around the clock, providing instant responses to potential buyers. This means you're not tied to your phone 24/7, and your clients still get the information they need when they need it. Talk about a win-win. Now let's discuss property recommendations. AI algorithms can analyze a buyer's preferences and recommend properties that match their criteria perfectly. This personalizes the buying experience and saves you time showing homes that just aren't a good fit. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your clients as well as you do. Marketing is another area where AI shines. From targeted advertising to automated social media posts, AI can streamline your marketing efforts. Imagine running ads that are tailored to the right audience at the right time, without you lifting a finger. This means more effective campaigns and better ROI. Plus, you get to focus on what you do best, closing deals. Let's not forget virtual tours. AI enhances these experiences with interactive features, giving potential buyers a real feel for the property without stepping foot inside. This is especially useful for out-of-town clients or those with busy schedules. And the best part, it's available 24/7, just like those chatbots we talked about. Finally, AI can even help with paperwork. Smart contracts and automated document processing can reduce the time and errors associated with traditional methods. This means faster closings and happier clients. Who wouldn't want that? So, there you have it. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer for real estate agents. From data analysis to customer service, property recommendations, marketing, virtual tours, and even paperwork, AI has you covered. Embrace the future and let AI help you work smarter, not harder. Watch this next video for more tips on how to elevate your real estate game.